Can I move on? You guys got that? And then I'm just going to take a quick picture of this. All right, and I'm going to buzz this down here a little bit so it's out of the way. All right, and zoom in on that, and let's go through that. Okay, so how can a shot prevent you from getting the flu? How can a shot prevent you from getting the flu? Go ahead, Soph. Yep, it makes antibodies. That's an important idea. Antibodies. Good. What else? Go ahead, Natalie.
Getting the shot helps with showing your cells and the mechanisms inside you about the virus.
So
how you don't get it by the time it actually comes to you.
Yeah, so your body recognizes it, right? So it actually sees it and can recognize in future. Oops. And that's the antibodies. But do you get a strong vaccine or a weakened vaccine? A weakened vaccine. So it's either dead, it's not always dead. It's not always dead. So dead or weakened. So it doesn't attack your body. Here's the deal. Some are dead. Polio's dead. They actually put it in formaldehyde, which is a poison. They poison it. It can no longer do the job it needs to do. But you know what they do with the flu vaccine? They actually get the flu and they inject it into a chicken egg. And then they take that virus, the white part out of the egg, and put it into another one. And guess what the virus is good at attacking then? A chicken. It mutates. It changes. And then you know what they literally do? They take some of the white albumin out of the egg and they shoot it in you. And guess what? It's not good at attacking anymore. Us. Because it's already been targeting a chicken. And so our body can attack it and beat it. Here's a tomahawk.
So we have chicken DNA in our body?
In this case, it's not actually injecting the chicken DNA into us.
So we're not part of chicken.
So it's a dead virus that our body attacks. That's the hatchet. Some blood dripping on it. I mean, not literally, because viruses don't do it. And then we see it and we recognize it, and then we have antibodies that the next time it comes in, it can recognize and attack the real deal. And guess what? You either don't get sick at all, or you don't get as sick. Are you with me on that, guys? Good stuff. All right. Second question. How can you prevent yourself from getting infected with viruses? Anybody? Troy, go ahead.
Wash your hands.
Washing hands. Absolutely, dude. Serena.
Get a vaccine.
Get a vaccine. Absolutely.
Don't touch your face. Don't touch your face.
Don't touch your face. Correct. Don't touch your face. Good. Use antibacterial soap because it disintegrates. It actually breaks the viruses down. That's what it's doing. It's breaking the viruses down. Breaking the protein code open so the DNA goes. Yep.
Don't cough or sneeze on anybody.
Don't cough or sneeze on anybody. Excellent. You guys are good at this. I'm not going to write all those things down. What's the difference between a cure and a vaccine? A cure and a vaccine. Cure and a vaccine. That was in your notes here, right, Maya? We agree with that? Very good. So a vaccine prevents you from getting it, and a cure is the end to it. Why aren't viruses considered to be living? And we're going to talk more about that today. Let's see, I'm trying to pick people who haven't talked yet today. Max, I don't think you have.
Wait, what was the question again?
Why aren't viruses considered to be living?
Because there's 3 reasons, I'm pretty sure. They don't expel gas like carbon dioxide
Yep.
or oxygen.
Yep,
And they don't need food or water to live.
yep.
And third one was that they can't reproduce themselves. They have to get the bacteria to make viruses.
Right on, good. Good job, got them all. Anybody want to add anything to that? Excellent, way to go. And then last question, why do you think that viruses should be considered living things? Why or why not? Why should they be considered to be living? And that will be the focus for today. Natalie.
I don't think they should be considered living things because they meet some of the criteria of living things, but not all of them.
So you don't think they should be living?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Anybody have a differing opinion or the same opinion want to share? No. All right. Are we learning a little bit about viruses right now? Okay. Good. So if you did good on that, give yourself a pat on your back. Excellent, excellent job. So your next job, I'm going to go ahead and stop this.